Did you know there are different causes of flooding? Floods occur when dry areas are suddenly submerged by water. Some causes are heavy rainfall with limited drainage and high volumes of precipitation can cause flooding as the water has nowhere to go. Snow and ice melting can create large volumes of water on dry land. Dams breaking can cause an overflow of water, resulting in flooding. And extreme weather, like hurricanes, can cause devastating impacts. And those are just a few causes of flooding.